how to set the picture mode on Skyworth TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the gear icon button and here and pop up. Okay, you can see again the gear icon. Okay, select again. And now here in general settings, go to display and sounds. Here in display and sounds, you can see the picture. Okay, go to picture. In picture, okay, you can see here the picture mode. And the picture mode is set into user. To change or set the picture mode, okay, go to this. And now you can see the option. So you can set the picture mode into vivid or standard, sports, movie, user, or you can set into energy saving. And okay guys, I decided to change the picture mode into standard. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the picture mode on Skyworth TV.